Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Dell Latitude 14 5420 laptop. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your speakers. So first thing, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip it over to access our bottom case screws. Now you have a total of 8 screws on this bottom case. After taking all of those screws out, you're going to take a small, flat, preferably plastic pry tool. And I say plastic because that should scratch your case a lot less than a metal one will. You're going to go around the seam of the bottom case and pry it off from the rest of your computer. Now it's generally better to start back here near the hinge assemblies in each corner. And once you start in one end, if you go down and you get stuck, leave it, start in the other direction and continue from there. Also, try not to put your pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge, be slow but firm, and you'll be able to get that bottom case off. After you do, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your computer project, as well as any upgrade or replacement parts for this exact model computer, there'll be a link above, also below in the description, and it will have many of the tools and supplies that I use in my shop, and again, all of the replacement and upgrade parts for this specific model, the 5420. Also, before touching anything in a computer, I always prefer to remove or at least unplug the battery. A computer is safest to work on when as little power as possible is running through it. So here's your battery right down here. It's held on by 3 screws near the red arrows, and it plugs into the motherboard right here near the green arrow. Now where it plugs into the motherboard, you'll see a black pull tab. You just grab that and pull directly up and off of the motherboard, and it will come off of that port. Okay, so now that the battery has been removed, or again, at least unplugged, it's safe to proceed into the computer. You have this speaker on the right bottom corner of my screen, and you have this speaker on the left bottom corner of my screen. These speakers don't have screws that hold them down. They're just loosely laid down. You see these blue rubber washers here around these posts for sound insulation. You just wiggle those off and you can get these speakers off. The right speaker does not plug into the motherboard itself. Its blue and white wire come down here. Across the bottom, plug into the left speaker, and then this speaker plug into the motherboard right here. So as with any cables or cords in a computer, don't pull on the wires themselves. You could damage them. Sometimes you could pull the wires right out of the plug. You just want to manipulate the plug as much as possible. So use your fingernails or a pry tool on either side of this plug to wiggle it out of that port. Also, when you lay your speakers back down, make sure you lay the wires exactly as seen. As you can see, these wires are very close to the edge of the computer, and if they're not laid down properly, you could pinch them and damage them when you put that bottom case back on. I will try to have speaker replacements below in the description in that link I told you about, with all the replacement parts and upgrade parts for this model computer. And I guess the last thing I can shout out about this kind of repair, if you are having sound quality issues in your computer, if the audio isn't sounding right, try updating your drivers, updating your system first. It could be an issue with that. Rule that out before coming in here and trying an invasive, complicated repair like this. If you want help with that, there will be a video link above. Also below in the description, it'll show you how to update your system and your drivers. But that's it for this video, how to get inside the 5420 and access your speakers. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.